Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making smoked ham and potato hash. This easy and filling hash is flavored with ham, onions, garlic, salt and black pepper. Easy to fix guys. This recipe makes a nice breakfast, light lunch or brunch. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, we are going to need potatoes that are already cut into 1-inch bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and drain out the water. Next, we're gonna chop 1 medium onion. Place the chopped onion in a bowl, then let's head it to the stove. In a large non-skillet, saute onions in 2 tablespoons of oil until tender. Cook the onions for 3 minutes, then add minced garlic. Continue to saute for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're gonna go ahead and stir in potatoes and water. Now season with black pepper and salt and crushed red peppers. That's optional guys. If you don't like spicy food, do not add crushed red peppers. Reduce heat to medium-low, cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until potatoes are tender. Next, cut smoked ham into thin strips, then set aside. After 15 minutes, we're gonna stir in smoked ham and heat through. This should take 2 to 3 minutes. Then the smoked ham and potato hash is ready. Meanwhile, in a large non-skillet, we're gonna fry eggs in the remaining oil as desired. Season with salt and black pepper. Time to serve our smoked ham and potato hash. Guys, it smells so good in here. I can't wait to dig in. Top with fried egg and garnish with parsley. Guys, this is how simple and easy this recipe is. It's so delicious. You need to try it guys. It takes only 20 to 30 minutes and you have your smoked ham and potato hash ready for breakfast. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.